video, I'm going to discuss how you can convert your YouTube videos into shareable quizzes on this website. So as you can see, there is a YouTube option and we just need to enter YouTube video here, and that is it. And we will be able to convert that video into shareable quizzes like this. Okay, so first of all, let me explain you how you can use this website. So first of all, this is landing page. You have to just go to DoctoQuiz.com, and after that you just need to log in. You can either log in as a teacher or you can log in as a student. So teacher can assign quizzes like this. Teacher can assign quizzes to students, or if you are a student, you can just sign up as a student and you can see your dashboard like this. And after that you can create your practice test, and that is it. So in this video, I'm going to explain how you can sign up as a teacher and how you can convert your quizzes into this dashboard and you can share with others. Okay, so suppose that you're a teacher, you have signed as a teacher. Okay, now you will see teacher dashboard button here. You just need to click on teacher dashboard and you will see your dashboard here. So as you can see, if I click over my profile, I am teacher here, you can see it, and this is my email. So I have upgraded premium plan, so I have a lot of information here. So I can create 100 of documents, 10,000 pages and 200 plus questions. So I have enough resources here in this document. Okay, so now what I can do, I can create a new quiz. Okay, so for that I just need to click on this create a quiz button. Okay, so first of all, I need a YouTube video. Okay, so I already opened some YouTube videos. So suppose that I am learning Python and I need to create a quiz. So this is Python video. Either I can click on share button here, okay, and copy the link, or I can just copy the link from the tab browser. Okay, so I can just click on this. I can control C. Now my link is copied and I will go to my website. Okay, and I just need to click on this YouTube. Okay, because right now I have YouTube video, so I will need to enter that in the YouTube tab. So I will click over it. I will enter my YouTube video here by pressing Ctrl V, and I can click on add. Now you can see next step is enabled and I can click on it. Now this is quiz configuration screen. Here you can do all of configuration before creating a quiz. Let me explain you each and everything one by one. So if you want to create a complex quiz, you just need to click on hard. If you want it as a medium complexity, you can click on medium or easy. So that is complexity level, how much hard you want this quiz to be. Okay, in the next tab you can see questions count. So for my plan, as I have premium upgraded plan, I can create 200 plus questions. But if you are free plan, you can create maximum of 20 questions. But right now as a test, I can create 10 questions. Okay, because video is also short, it is just 4 minutes. So I will like to create 10 quizzes only, 10 questions only. So after that you can tell this website what is the pass percentage. So if you in future or when after creating quiz, you assign this quiz to your students, you want to show them like what is pass percentage, whether it is 50% or 70%. So you can select that. So if student gets 50%, they will be regarded as pass, or otherwise they will be failed in that particular quiz. Okay, so I will make it 35%. Okay, because that is perfect. Okay, after that I can type test duration. This is completely optional if you don't want. This means how much time would be provided to the student to take this quiz, like if it is 10 minutes quiz or 15 minutes quiz or 20 minutes. So I think this is 10-minute quiz, so I will type 10 because there are 10 questions, so 10 minutes are fine. And points per question. So if you want to like assign 5 points or 10 points per each question, you can define it here. So I would like to type 5 here, so it means each question will get 5 points. After that, if you want to type some instruction, like if you want to provide some instruction to AI how it should create the quiz, you can obviously type it here. But right now I don't have any instruction because it will understand automatically, so that is it. And obviously I want this quiz to be in English, so I can leave it as default. Otherwise, if you want in different language, you can type like Spanish or Arabic, okay, or any other language. But I will leave it as it is. It will take the English because the video is in English already. Now you can set the deadline. So right now this is 15 of 3rd March. Okay, so this is 3rd month and the date is 15, but I would like to set the deadline for 17th, so I will select that and now deadline would be set. Now if you want the different students to not cheat in the exam, so you can click on this option. So each student will get different orders of question. So when first student will get different orders of question and second one will get different, so there would be no chance to get cheated on it. Okay, so once you have selected that, you can click on review button, and now you can just click on, you can review all the settings and you can click on generate quiz. It would take only few seconds and you will have complete generate quiz. Okay, so now let's wait for it, and once it has generated the quiz, I will show you different types of configurations and how you can share the quiz to student and how you can analyze the submissions and everything. So I'm just waiting for it. Once it has done, I will explain you further. So now you can see quiz has been generated. You can directly export it Excel or PDF as well. You can edit the question, like if you think this is not correct option, you can select other option. Okay, and you can click on save. You can also add explanations, but if you don't add explanations, AI will automatically provide explanation to your students. Okay, so you can also change the question text, you can change the questions answers and everything, but right now I think everything is perfect. Okay, you can see each and everything is perfect. I can just click on publish, and now I can upload either my cover image or I can generate cover image with AI. But right now I can create my own cover image, so I will select science. I will upload my cover image from here. So let's say my cover image is I need to select some cover image from here. So suppose that I'm just finding it. Maybe for now I will take this thing. Okay, so this is my cover image. I will select that. It will upload that cover image, and after that I will just publish the quiz. So now this is cover image. I will click on publish quiz. Now my quiz would be published. Now I can easily share my quiz to other students. Okay, so it's just publishing. Okay, now my quiz is published, and you can see the complete dashboard, like total submissions, average score, pass rate, 35% is pass threshold, and how many students pass, how many failed, highest score, lowest score. And you can also edit the settings here. Okay, and you can see status is published, so I can share with other students. Okay, here is public library stats. Okay, so it means my test is also showing in public library. You can see here. So now other teachers or other students can take directly from here, or they can copy your quiz. Okay, so if I go to this quiz, if I go to my test here, I can click on it. Okay, and now you can see each and everything is there. Now you can see right now there are no assigned classes because I didn't assign this quiz to any of the class. Okay, and before that I can also see performance and submission. So any student that assigns or that submit the quiz, he will be his data will be showing here. Okay, and here you can see all of the question. You can export PDF, print question or everything. Here you can see enrolled students, how many enrolled, how many not submitted and everything. And here you can create a share and QR code. So right now I have created a quiz, but I didn't create it any type of particular class, or I didn't assign this to any of the existing class. So if you didn't have any type of class yet, you just need to click on my groups and you can create your first class. Okay, so suppose that I want to create my first class, like Python class. Okay, I can type it like this. I can create it. Now my Python class is already there. Okay, so the next step is to add students into this class. So how you can add? You can either click on add student, you can type their emails and they would be added. Okay, make sure they sign up on this website with the same email. Okay, and the first step is to create a class. The second step is to add student by either by this button, or you can just click on invite here and you can copy this link, or you can share this QR code, or you can share WhatsApp message, Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter or anything, and they just need to open this link. Okay, once they open this link, they will be automatically invited to your class. Okay, so now class is also created. We have created a quiz, we have created a class, we have just invited our students or added our students. Now the third step is to assign this test to this specific class. So how we will do it, either we can click on this assign test button, okay, and we can just click on this assign button and it would be automatically assigned to this class, because right now this is the quiz we have created. The other way we can do, we can just click on all test. Okay, we have introduction to Python programming quiz. We can just click on assign and we can select our class. So this is our Python class. I will click on assign button and now this is assigned, and now I can copy the link and QR code for this test. Okay, because the students that are joined in your class, they will automatically get this quiz in their dashboard. But if you want to share this quiz to any of other students that are not in your class, you can just copy the link or QR code and you can share with them. So whenever you will share with them, they will first join your group and after that they will automatically enrolled in your quiz. Okay, so I can copy the link, I can share with my students. Now this is done. Now we just need to wait for our students to submit the test, and as soon they submit, you will get all of the student submissions data here. Okay, so you can see the enrolled students here, you can see the performance and submissions here, you can filter for pass or fail because everything is created automatically. Okay, so how you open this page, you just need to click on all test and you can select your specific test that you want to analyze here, and you can see each and everything is here. Okay, not only this, if you want to monitor your test in real time, you can click on test monitoring system here and you can see how many live students are doing the test, how many violations are made, like cheating whenever they open different tab or they just quit the full screen mode, they will be automatically violated, and you will see the violations here. You can see when we do violate, when the students do violate and we catch them. Okay, so here you can see the recent submission, like 24 hour submission, and you can also refresh here to see instantly. Otherwise it will automatically refresh in 13 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. So this is how you made it. Now you can also see your dashboard here, like how many total tests, total classes. This is complete dashboard for all of the tests. Okay, now you can see this is test due soon, so it will be on March 17, and you can see recent enrollments, recent submissions. So if I click on it, you can see all of the submissions that is showing here. Okay, so obviously this is different test, but you can select your own specific test. So I hope you like this video, you understand how you can do it. Now this is how you can convert your quizzes, how you can create your quizzes from documents, YouTube videos, web pages, images and audio files. Okay, and after that you can just share your quizzes to any of the classes. Okay, you can create class or you can select particular specific class that already exists in your dashboard, and after that you add students to your class. Okay, either by add student button or you can just invite your students with the link, with a QR code or with this link. Okay, the third step is to just assign the quiz to the class. So you can click on assign button and you can assign the quiz to any class and share this link with the students that are not already in your class, so they can enroll in your class and they can take this quiz. Okay, so this is how this complete dashboard works. Okay, this is how you can create quizzes. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and in the next video I will be obviously explaining you how you can create quizzes with different types of documents, web pages, images and audio files, or you can also create quizzes using text files directly. Okay, so I hope you like this. If you like, you can subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Thank you.